I'm just about ready to saddle up to go on a trail ride. Everybody that was gonna go today, just things came up, so I will be going by myself. So I'm gonna ride Willis and pack Daisy here. And I'm gonna bring my electric saw, little chainsaw, just because there'll be some, hopefully not too much trail cleaning, and I can enjoy riding instead of cleaning trail. But being springtime, it's hard to say, so I want to just be prepared. Anyways, I'm gonna saddle up and load up in the truck and we'll take off. So the road is closed. We can't drive up as far as I was thinking, so we'll just ride up this road a ways. It'll be a while before we get to the trailhead, but the truck said that it was 31 degrees. Just a beautiful spring morning. Got Bjorn, and we got Cougar back there. We'll probably spend most of our time trotting up this road just so we can get to the trailhead. Thought we finally made it to the trail, Dad. And we're gonna go up the trail. We got these yellow flowers. Probably not flowers, but snow. Kinda makes them look really cool. That is just such a pretty view. So excited to be on the trail, I guess. Just saw some deer right up here. Well, maybe we'll see him again. I'm up on this point here. It gives us a nice view of all of our surroundings. My horse just tripped. Looks like this trail continues on down that way. We got all of this. Anyways, kind of cool. Have an old fence line here. Trail probably just goes right out this ridge. Or who knows how far. Pretty cool country. Trying to get a shadow. The dogs are just having such a good time that I'm on the ground. This is why I brought the saw. Something like this. Make it a lot easier to cut it, cut up and cut out something. Anyways, move the logs off the trail and we'll head on down. So we almost back to the truck, and it looks like we went 25 miles, over 25, almost 26 miles, and it was over 8 hours, almost 9 hours I think. So anyways, good times.